Okay. 네. Hey.
Where's the pilot? Shit, it is. Yeah. Friend. Got a bugger match. Yeah, yeah, man. Who's to blame for the life the tragedies claim? No matter what you say, it don't take away the pain that I feel inside. I'm tired of all the lies. Don't nobody know why it's the blind. Ah, shit, there's the show. Guess that's the way that the story goes. Will it ever make sense? Somebody's gotta know. There's gotta be more to life than this. There's gotta be more to everything I thought exists. No. Help me. Baby. Everybody ready? Okay, well, you're gonna run. Go! Right here in front, right? Yeah. You got what? You gonna go through? There's a runner! Hey, you got the boat! Where's the sponsor? Hey, jump back!
Is there a red light yet?
Yeah, there.
Is it counting?
Yeah.
Is it counting?
Yeah.
Hey, record. Hello, I'm over here. long you gotta wait? How long you gotta wait? Be nice the responding area. See, that's why I didn't want to do it. Come on. Oh, this guy kind of stick his food in the hole. Come on. Come on. Okay. Alright, it's so tight. It's so tight. Alright, Jazz. It happens, Jazz. You're too tight. I'm sorry. You came out of nowhere. You're good, Jazz. Sorry, my bad. Because I was holding it like this, and then I was holding it like this. I was laying there. I can reenact it.
I don't know. It's over there. Oh, someone got it. They got it? Oh. Yeah, also, just stop them then. The bomb is... there's no bomb.
So do you have to run the flag inside that building, right?
Yeah.
That looks... Oh, that looks crazy. It looks like you're looking at barrels down there. Oh, someone used a grenade. Is it? Ah, that would have been game. Like, game! No! Walk it! Walk through it! You make it! Like, like, you can do it! Alright. Oh shit, oh shit! Oh! Do you see a red light blinking?
Yes.
Alright.
It's so slow, but it's on.
It's on. Say hi. in the. Oh yeah. That's gonna be in there too. Yeah, it's in there too. Huh? Oh shit! Oh shit! Grenade! Grenade! Can you see? Is the red light blinking?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. Thank you. You're already climbing. Okay, start climbing. Holy shit, Lord. No wonder nobody did. Oh, they sure make this look easy. You got him? Yeah, cramping. Oh shit. Oh shit. Wait, they're behind the wall? Alright, guys. Oh, you too. Holy shit. I want 2, 3, 4. Alright then. Huh? What? He said fuck? He said go. Huh? Oh shit. Dude, I thought I almost fell down the hill. Down there? I was like, oh shit. I was like, he's up. You know, get one more here and climb up the hill too. He's still right behind you.
Sugar boom boom, I'm chasing dragon. This dragon's got my hand. Sugar boom boom, out robbing people, but I'm an honest man. Sugar boom boom, I'm chasing dragon. This dragon's got my hand. Sugar boom boom, out robbing people, but I'm an honest man.
Let me tell you straight up, homie, this story's not rehearsed. Done my share of drogas, but with this I'm feeling cursed. Done a little tempo, paid for my crime. Got out on healthy, now parole's going just fine. Smoke a little, yes, God, no more black sand. Gotta feed me Holly, cause now I'm an honest man.
Sugar boom boom, I'm chasing dragon. This dragon's got my hand. Sugar boom boom, out robbing people, but I'm an honest man. Sugar boom boom, I'm chasing dragon. This dragon's got my hand. Sugar boom boom, out robbing people, but I'm an honest man.
Met a chick named Anna on my way to work one day. She had me hypnotized, I tried to pull away. Find little more than a black on black, even her eyes.
That guy just don't want to die.
Yeah, homie, she's a fine one, but the devil
another guy in the hill. Dude, on his face. Still going. And he's still shooting back. Then I tripped and I think I'm bleeding. So I'm like, okay, fine, I'm out.
Sugar boom boom, I'm chasing dragons.
But I got him first, but he never went.
Got my hand. Sugar boom boom, out robbing people, but I'm an honest man. Sugar boom boom, I'm chasing dragons. This dragon's got my hand. Sugar boom boom. honest man.